Hey everyone, and welcome. Today I'm making a Dutch baby from Cook's Country. It's a big, puffy pancake that rises dramatically in the oven and then gently falls into a beautiful bowl shape with crisp, golden edges and a thin, custardy center. So let's jump in and get started. Okay, so this Dutch baby turned out really well. Before this, I tried another one from a different book twice, and it just would not rise either time. So when I saw this version in a Cook's Country book, I decided to give it a shot. This one definitely puffed up, not as much as the pictures in the book, but it was still a big improvement from the previous attempts. I did use gluten-free flour, so I don't know if that made a difference or not, but I'll experiment with regular flour in the future and will comment back here when I do with the results. Either way, this one turned out a nice pretty golden color after baking for 20 minutes. Now it was time to give it a taste. I wanted to start with the pancake itself. You can see how nicely the bottom looked, and it also came out of the skillet with no issues. Flavor-wise, I tasted the lemon and powdered sugar right away. The pancake itself is very neutral as there's no sugar in it, but it's designed that way, sort of as a palette for the toppings. But it was custardy inside with crispy edges as described in the recipe. If you have a major sweet tooth like me, you could add a few tablespoons of sugar to the batter for good measure. Next, I added some pure maple syrup and a few fresh strawberries and blueberries. That really made a difference. It was fresh, flavorful, and delicious. The fresh berries brightened it up perfectly. Overall, I give this Dutch baby 5 stars because it was light and refreshing, especially with the added lemon zest. If you're looking for an elegant and impressive breakfast or brunch idea, this recipe is definitely worth making. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave me something down in the comments below, and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, thanks for watching.